So may nahanap ako magandang food steamer and gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Tara, testingin natin. Dito gumagawa lang ako ng basic na siomai. Kung gusto niyo yung recipe, let me know. Gagawa ako ng video for you guys. And then, ayan, lalagay lang ako ng truffle oil. Tapos nag-wrap, ibang video to. This is from a previous one. Ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng tap water yung steam generator, yung base. Hindi nyo makita sa video but there's a max fill line there. I think around 2/3 nung container, so better watch out for that. Ngayon, ipipreheat na natin siya kasi it takes a while for the bamboo steaming baskets to absorb enough heat. Kasi dapat 8 minutes lang natin i-steam yung siomai. So, ayan, nagpipreheat na and now it's done. It worked perfectly, hindi makalat, walang tulo sa paligid. And since tapos na tayo magluto, na-enjoy na namin yung siomai, let's go ahead and start reassembling the base. So, ayan yan, lagay ko lang yung cap for the heat generator and then yung cord, kasya lahat sa loob ng base para hindi cluttered yung countertop. And then the main cover ng base. So yun, I got this for just 1,890 pesos sa Shopee. That's where I hang the basket. Sorry, maingay yung dishwasher. But anyway, let's go ahead and prepare them for storage kasi tuyo na sila. Now that it's all back together in one piece, I can just set it aside on my countertop. That will stay there kasi gusto ko yung itsura niya, and yeah, pretty much worth it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys on the next video. Bye!